Hi friends, Happy Odd Home here. It's been a little bit since I uploaded a video, so I just wanted to pop on and give you all some content. I know just about now you're probably looking to my channel for some Christmas content. And there isn't any new content other than my Christmas in July video. I'm so sorry about that. I apologize. I am very behind this year. Got a lot going on, and I want to update you with everything that's going on very soon and provide some Christmas content and all kinds of good stuff, let you know everything that I've been up to. So I do have all that coming up. But in the meantime, as I am in the place that I am renting, I have a very dirty bathtub and I've been trying to clean it. And I wanted to do a little video of my bathtub cleaning. A couple years ago, I cleaned a bathtub. That was a very popular video, and I found a solution to get rid of rust. So this is a completely different issue. It's more dirt and grime, and I don't know, maybe grease, something that's stuck on there that just a regular bleach isn't getting rid of while scrubbing. So I've been on the hunt for a product to clean it. Tried 3 different products, so I wanted to update you on what those products were and what worked. So that's what this video is all about. I know, completely random video instead of Christmas. So that's what's going on at the moment, but please bear with me. Thank you all. I appreciate you all so much for always being here and always being so supportive. But I do have a lot coming on, I promise, a lot of really great stuff that I'm really excited to share with you. But in the meantime, I wanted to get something out to you, so here is a little cleaning video. Thank you all so much for being here. I always appreciate you being here, and the comments you leave, thank you so much. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think of the video, if you're gonna try this product, if you have ever tried it and it has worked for you. I hope so. So anyway, all right, I love you all. Okay, we'll talk again soon. Bye. This is a different type of tub than in my prior video. I think that was more of a porcelain tub. I believe this is more of a plastic tub. And the issue I have this time is not rust, as in my prior video that I will link here, but this residue that is stuck on the bottom of the tub that will not come off. I have tried different types of cleaners and bleach. As you can see, there's mold all over here, which is pretty disgusting. And I spray that with mold. It gets rid of the mold. It gets rid of the black, but you know, this just basically needs to be recaulked. So that's one issue. But I am trying to figure out how to get rid of this residue that I have not been able to get rid of with just regular bathtub cleaning products. And it's like some type of oily residue. So I am going to try, this, see if it works. And if it can cut through that grease. So I'm going to spray it and let's see what happens. All right. I'm going to spray this all over. It says spray it and within a minute, try to clean it. So let's see if it works. It says, you know, you don't need to have it sit. Let's see if it can cut through all that black. So I'm going to try one of these Scrub Daddies, never used one before, to see if it cuts through and gets rid of some of this like slimy stuff. So let's see what happens. I should probably be wearing gloves, I know. So So no, it is not doing what I had hoped it would do. It is not getting rid of all, you know, see this like really nasty black stuff. This was not working. Okay. All right, so this was a fail for what I wanted it to be. Yeah, so on to the next thing. So I am back to try another cleaner in this bathtub to see if I can get rid of those grimy stains, if you can see them. And this is what I'm going to try. I have it in a bottle. Let's see if this does the trick. It is going to require some scrubbing, but let's start. Let's coat the area really well. And see if this does the trick. I'm going to let it sit for a few and be back. All right. Know if this. I'm going to. I have a scrub daddy, and I'm going to see if this works. Well, actually, what do we think? So, I feel like it's better, but I'm not sure if it's like all completely coming off. I wonder if it just requires several applications. So like that area right there. So there's also a shadow that is appearing. So it's doing a little bit. It's certainly doing more than the first cleaner did, but it's certainly not working like magic as I had hoped. You know, in my other cleaning video, I didn't have to do any scrubbing. I just, you know, poured it on and the stains just magically disappeared. This is not the case. So, I don't know. It's a little bit better. So I'm going to scrub it for a little bit more, maybe apply some more of the liquid, see if it does anything, rinse it off and see if it's gotten any better. So I sprayed another application. I rinsed it. It helped a little bit, but it did not get these dark stains off. It helped a little bit. It was better than nothing, but I'm not impressed. All right, I have a third cleaner I'm gonna try, and then we're gonna see if that does the trick. All right, I'm trying a third one. Let's see if this does it. It suggests mixing it with 50% water, but for stubborn stains, you can use full strength. So I am going to put some on, kind of on the side, let it drip down. and cover all the surfaces and see if it works. Let it sit for 2 minutes, and it says rinse. All right, so let's see, is it doing anything? Can we tell? Is it dissolving anything? I don't see any magic happening yet. At 2 minutes, I will give it a little bit of a scrub, see if that does anything. And then we'll see. All right, I'm going to try with a little scrubby, see if it does anything, and then rinse it. Well, so, I mean, it's doing more than the other two did. Okay. All right, well maybe we found the winner. Still hard in these crevices. I mean, it's lightening it. It's doing a decent job. Well, so it does require scrubbing. The directions say rinse off after 2 minutes. It did not say scrub. It's probably a liability thing. They don't want the stuff getting on your hands. Stuff is probably toxic. So it does look like you do need to scrub to make a dent, and it still doesn't get it off completely, but it's a lot better. It's a lot better. All right, I'm gonna rinse and then maybe repeat. Okay, so I rinsed it off. It's definitely better. It's not completely gone. As you can see, these areas right here, I know there's a little bit of a shadow, but you can still see the dirt stuck in the textured part of the tub, which is the non-slip tub. So perhaps if this was not a non-slip tub, it would be clean, because it looks like the sides, which don't have, you know, the little pebbled area, looks relatively clean. That looks good, but the little pebbled surface, the dirt is stuck in those areas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more of the CLR on it and see if I can get rid of just these areas right here, the dirt in those areas. Okay, so I did another application. I put a little bit more of the CLR just on the bottom. Can't really see it. It's kind of a green liquid. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and now I'm going to go over this for an additional time and see if it makes any difference. It did do a good job on the sides, like I said, but on that pebbled area, it's a little bit stubborn right there. Maybe the stains were worse here. And as I said, it is requiring scrubbing, which the instructions did not say, just said rinse. Stuff smells horrible too, as I'm sure all this cleaning solutions do. All right, so I think that gives you a pretty good idea. Of the three, the CLR worked the best and does require scrubbing. So that is my analysis after testing the three. Let me know what you guys think. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and I have a lot more to come. Thanks, guys. Bye.